Uh, okay, so good morning, children. Today we will discuss regarding adjectives. Okay, so first of all, you should know what is an adjective. An adjective is a word which adds more to the meaning of a noun. It adds to the meaning of a noun. It tells us about the number, quantity, quality, that of the noun. It tells something more about the noun. It tells us about the number, quality, okay, quantity, all these things. Adjectives are the ornaments of our language and they adorn our language. Okay, so different kinds of adjectives are there. For example, adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. So, what is the adjective of quality? It tells about the quality. Adjective of quality it tells adjective of quality tells about the quality of a thing. Then adjective of quantity. So adjective of quantity, what it will tell you? Adjective of quantity it tells about the quantity. That what is the quantity? What is the quantity of something? And then adjective of number or a numeral adjectives. It tells about the number. Then demonstrative adjectives. Okay, this is his pen. This is his pen. Okay, that is my pen. Likewise, a demonstration is made. These are demonstrative adjectives. Then interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives. So, what are interrogative adjectives? Where a question is made. Then possessive interrogative, where a possession is there that defines the ownership. This is my pen. So my is what? My is possessive adjective. So likewise, are you aware of adjectives or not? Okay, and some of the questions will be based on adjectives in the test that is going to be conducted. Okay, the objective test. So, are you already aware regarding the adjectives? Adjectives we discussed already in class 6. We have already discussed in class 7. Okay, so you write the definition. What are adjectives? And adjective and adjective is a word which adds to the, are able to see now? An adjective is a word which adds to the meaning of a noun. It tells us about the number. It tells us about the number, quality, or quantity of a noun. Adjectives are the ornaments of our language. They adorn okay. So this you have to remember an adjective. What is the definition? An adjective is a word which adds to the meaning, of a noun. The meaning of a noun is added with the help of adjective, and An adjective is a word which adds to the meaning of a noun. It tells us about the number. It tells us about the quality or quantity. It tells us about the number, quality, or a quantity of a noun. Adjectives are the ornaments of our language. We can say they are the ornaments, they adorn our language. Okay, so the definition is clear to you, children, or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so you write example. For example, yeah, Dia is an intelligent girl. Okay, Dia is an intelligent girl. Okay, so intelligent. Intelligent is what? It is an adjective. Okay, so likewise, for example, we say this is yeah. You unmute yourself. Who is this? Karishna. Karishna. So this is my pen. So this is what? This is an adjective. Okay, which adjective this is? This is a demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective that you should know. Okay, he has five. He has five. Okay, he has five. Okay, for example, right? He has five cows. So five is what? It is telling about the number. So he has five cows. Five is adjective. Okay. Which pen is lost? Which pen is lost? Which is an adjective. Which pen is lost? Which is an adjective. So, which is what kind of adjective? This is an into. This is an integrative. Okay, integrative adjective. Sir Krishna. Krishna, you unmute yourself. Mute yourself, Krishna. Krishna Rebali. Krishna Rebali.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So now children, so this is interrogative. Which pen is lost? Which pen is lost? That you should know which is what kind of adjective. It is interrogative adjective. Interrogative means which is having a question, which is asking a question. So which pen is lost? Which is what type of adjective? It is interrogative adjective. This is my pen. This is my pen. This is what kind of adjective? This is a demonstrative adjective. Okay. So he has five cows. This is an adjective of number. So likewise, okay, there is. So you write all. There is little hope. So little is what? Quantity. There is little hope. Okay, so likewise the different adjectives are there. They adds an adjective is a word which adds to the meaning of a noun. It adds to the meaning of a noun. It tells us about the number, quality or quantity. Okay, children, you have understood this much what we have discussed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have discussed Jia is an intelligent girl. Intelligent is adjective. Okay, This is a fantastic pen. Fantastic is
Adjective.
adjective
Adjective.
of quality. This is my pen. This is a demonstrative adjective, and my will turn into possessive adjective because it is telling that who is the owner of the pen. Who is the owner of the pen? He has five cows. Five is the adjective of number. Then which pen is lost? This is which is adjective. What kind of adjective? Interrogative adjective. There is little hope. Little is what? Adjective. What kind of adjective? What kind of adjective? Adjective of quantity.
Quantity.
Likewise, adjectives are there. You write further?
Sir, side please.
Yes.
Completed, sir.
Okay.
Completed, sir.
So all of you have written.
Yes,
So
sir.
I will ask you.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
You write. You write it, Sachin Salvi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Okay, this is a large house. Okay, he is a smart child. So, what are the adjectives in this? What are
Large and smart.
Large.
this? A smart house.
And
Okay,
smart
large is
child.
adjective.
A
Is
smart,
smart
smart
child.
child.
Smart is adjective. And these are the adjectives of what? These are the adjectives of quality. Okay, so you should be able to identify that what is adjective and what kind of adjective it is. Which word is adjective and this is of what kind of adjective. Write further. Adjective of number. Adjective of number. He has five. Okay. Houses. Then each child got its share. Okay, so he has five houses. He has five houses. Each child got his share. Each. Okay.
Each.
These are what? These are adjectives. He has five houses. Five is what? It is adjective. Each child got his share. Each is what? It is adjective. And this is adjective. What kind of adjective this is? This is adjective of number. This is adjective of number. So you have understood this or not? That how to
Yes, sir.
identify adjectives of number? Where a number is mentioned, where number is mentioned, that is adjective of number, and where a quality is mentioned, that is adjective of quality. Okay, then you further write adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. They have they have they have enough wealth. They have enough wealth. Okay. So this they have enough wealth. Enough is what? This is quantity. This is quantity. Is it clear to you, students? So an adjective that is focusing on quantity, that is focusing on quantity, that is an adjective of quantity. As we discussed in the earlier example, there is a little hope. There is a little hope. So little is what? Little is quantity. Okay. There is a little hope. There is a little hope. So this is a quantity. They have enough wealth. This is quantity. Okay. So the adjective that tells about the quantity is an adjective of quantity. Okay, students. So you write this, then we will proceed. Yeah. So you write it, then we will proceed for further. Okay, what we have discussed? We have discussed adjective of quality, we have discussed adjective of number, and we have discussed adjective of quantity. Okay. Now furthermore we will discuss regarding interrogative adjectives. What are the interrogative adjectives? Where there remains a question. So all the question word will come under the category of interrogative adjectives. We will discuss regarding the possessive adjectives that tells about the possession, the ownership. Okay, so all of you have written this or not? Then we will discuss regarding the demonstrative adjectives. All of you have written or not, children?
Written, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you have written.
Yes, sir.
Is there any child who has not written?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah, if any one of you have not written, then you can tell. Then you write the next one. You have written about.
कुशाग्र सर कहाँ गए?
सर लेफ्ट करके
और लाइट नहीं आ रही इसलिए। सर ने मैसेज किया ग्रुप पे।
हेलो।
आरएबीपी से लाइट का कनेक्शन ब्लॉक हो गया।
तुझे कैसे पता?
इलेक्ट्रिकल फोन किया था।
अच्छा।
इलेक्ट्रिकल ऑफिस में।
ओके, फिर सर कितने मिनट में आएंगे?
अभी सर के वाईफाई थोड़े ना ऑन हुआ होगा, आएंगे, टाइम लगेगा। सर ने मैसेज भी कर दिया, नो इलेक्ट्रिकल पावर, प्लीज वेट।
नो पावर चिल्ड्रन वेट। हेलो।
देयर।
हेलो। कौन है? Hello.
Yes, children. So now you are able to hear me. We have discussed so far regarding adjectives. Okay, and what we have discussed that adjectives are the words which add to the meaning of noun. Okay, they further defines it. We have discussed regarding the adjective of quality. So what is an adjective of quality? That tells about the quality. As we have discussed that this is a large house. Okay, this is a fantastic house. Okay, so all these words are speaking about large, fantastic. Okay, these are speaking about quality. Then we discussed about adjective of number. So what is adjective of number? That tells about the number. As we discussed, he has 5 houses. Okay, so 5 is what? It is an adjective of number. We discussed each child got his share. Each is what? It is an adjective of number. So we have discussed regarding adjective of quality, adjective of number, then adjective of quantity. So it tells about the quantity as we discussed that there is a little hope. So this there is a little of hope when we say, then it means we are optimistic. And when we will say there is little hope, it means there is no hope. But these words, they are telling about what? Little or a little. They are telling about quantity. They are telling about quantity. So little, a little, these are adjective of quantity. When we say they have enough wealth, they have enough wealth. So enough is what? Enough is an adjective of quantity. Okay, so adjective of quality, adjective of number, adjective of quantity, and then demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective, you write demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective that house is okay. So demonstrative adjective is that adjective which demonstrates. Demonstrative adjective is that adjective which demonstrates. This is my pen. So the word this is demonstrating. So this is an adjective of demonstrative demonstration. Then that house is. That house is. So that is used for a demonstration. So it is a demonstrative adjective. Okay, so demonstrative adjective. The adjectives which are used for demonstration. This is the duster of this class. Okay, so this is used for demonstration. So this is an adjective of demonstration. Okay, this is my pen. This is a demonstrative adjective. That house is his. That is a demonstrative adjective. You have understood this or not, children?
Yes, sir.
All of you provide your response. Then next, children, it is regarding interrogative. Interrogative adjective. Okay, which pen is lost? What things do you buy? Okay, Interrogative adjective. Interrogative means when there is a question. A question mark is there. So which pen is lost? This word which is a questioning word. What things do you buy? What is a question word? Okay, so these are the WH words and they are used for interrogative adjectives. So you have understood what is an interrogative adjective, what is an interrogative adjective. These are interrogative adjectives. Which pen is lost? Which is interrogative adjective? What things do you buy? So what is what? It is interrogative adjective. Okay, so the WH words, they are interrogative adjectives. Okay, children,
Okay, sir.
you have understood it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if in an exam it comes that what kind of adjective has been used, then you should find out that you should be in a position to find out or what is the adjective in the above sentence. Find the word which is used as an adjective. You should be able to find out the adjective and you should be able to find out what kind of adjective it is. Two things you have to find, two things you should know. That in a given sentence, which word is used as an adjective, that you should know. Then sometimes it could be asked, what kind of adjective this is? Is this an adjective of quantity? Is this an adjective of quality? Is this a demonstrative adjective? Is this an interrogative adjective? So that you should be able to find. Will you be able to do that?
Yes, sir.
Will you be able to identify children?
Yes, sir.
So in tomorrow's objective test, it may be asked, and if the adjective based questions are coming, you should be able to identify what is the adjective and what kind of adjective it is. And the remaining things also, children, you prepare well. All the lessons which are there in your syllabus, you prepare well. And all the grammar topics that we have given to you, okay, in the syllabus, you should prepare well and you should score full out of full marks. And when it will happen, when you will prepare well. Okay, children, so practice well, prepare well and score good marks. Score full out of full. If you will not prepare well, you will not be able to score good marks. Hard work is very much required, children. The more hard work you will do, the more benefit you will get. No hard work, no benefit. Okay, so will you read or not?
Yes, sir. I will.
Okay, then the next, children, it is regarding possessive adjective. This is adjective which show possession are called possessive adjective. For example, I at all, I chocolates. I have done my homework. Okay, children. The next adjective is possessive adjective. POSSESSIVE P-O-S-S-I-V-E, possessive adjective. Adjectives which show possession, that is ownership, are called possessive adjectives. Okay. I ate all my chocolates. I ate all my chocolates. So what is possessive adjective in this?
Eight.
What is possessive adjective in this? I ate all my chocolates. My is the pages my. My is indicating the ownership. That who is the owner of chocolates? I ate all my chocolates. So my is possessive adjective. It is telling that the chocolates belongs to whom? Who is the owner of the chocolates? Okay. So possessive adjective is my. I have done my homework. I have done my homework. I have done my homework. So my is possessive adjective because it is telling that whose homework is this. So you have understood or not, children? Yes, tell me. You have understood it or not?
Yes, sir.
So adjective of number or numeral adjectives, both are same. Adjective of quantity, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjectives, possessive adjectives, all these adjectives you have to prepare well and you have to score good marks. So children, once again I am telling you, prepare well and score. Sir, what is written in last line? I have done my homework. I have done my homework. Is it clear to you, the child who has asked? I ate all my chocolates. And what I have indicated here, the word my in both sentences are possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives means which tells about the thing belong to whom, which tells about the ownership. Okay, so students, prepare well, score good marks, 40 out of 40. Okay, that will happen when you will read well, when you will prepare well. Okay, so I wish you all the best for your objective tests. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day ahead.